Hi guys, it's me, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange on October 3rd, 16th. I guess the negative narrative is over. I think the earnings season is taking effect. I think all the selling seems to be done for the time being. I did say yesterday that inside Verstov, NYC Einstein, hello to you. A lot of green on the screen today. I did tell you I thought that maybe there was a little more pain, but it surely did get the jump and the catalyst, the gas on the fire. Earnings today, we came out of the gate, we were up solid. There's a bid in the market, there's money to be put to work, and there's positive news coming into the market. The catalyst in this market needed to turn this game around, come back into it. I told you, never get emotional about money, Gordon. Stay with it. Fundamentals did not change. Some of the things that we re-engaged did, and there was some selling, but it doesn't mean that everybody was going to sell. It doesn't mean that some of the selling was exaggerated. It doesn't mean that that selling from the all-time high was not in oversold mode because it happened so fast, so big, and so quick. Markets do that. That's the whole nature of technical analysis. Oversold mode that can happen over time is a different effect on oversold mode that happens within 48 hours, right? 1,300 points in 2 days initiates people that check their books, look at the fundamentals, look at the support, and get back into the market, and that's what we saw today. Plus the catalyst. So it's still a formula. A plus B equals C. Doesn't always work. Today it's been working. 2 to 3 days of sell side hard, orderly, constructive, selling, right? And then complete reversal into a solid catalytic. That's a big word. It's probably not even a real word. The market needed a catalyst to take itself higher, although I really believe there was a bid below the market in the market. Solid earnings today. We came out of the gate. We're up 550 points, closing at the high. There was a lot of buying here. Russell participated in a big way. That was one of the things that had been hurting really bad. Russell up 45 handles. Spiders up 60 handles. These are huge moves besides the 550 points in the Dow. Volume was okay at 800 million. Transport's up 200. Dollar up, oil up, gold down an odd lot. This was a solid, broad-based rally. People are getting back in the market. Stop the madness, living the dream. We are having fun here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange inside Verstov. Stick with me. I told you, when everyone else is selling, you buy. Don't get emotional about money. Stay in the market. Watch for fundamentals. Don't trade off of headlines. Step aside. Pause. Consolidate. Markets do that. That's healthy. And watch for short-term huge rallies, short-term large sell-offs. They end up running into support and resistance. That's what we've seen here. That's what we're having. Tomorrow will be another telling day. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We're in the middle of October. We're coming up on the anniversary of the crash. It don't matter anymore. There's money being put to work. People are getting bargains. Stocks are off huge. More than the market per se is sold off. A lot of stocks are down double-digit percentages. And there are some bargains. If you're in a position, you may want to average up, average down, average in, average out. Netflix earnings came out and they kicked it. IBM earnings, anemic and weak, a little guidance. 88% of the stocks that are coming out with earnings in this quarter have beat. That is a record. We haven't seen that for a long time. Guidance seems to be positive. Earnings season, we're in it. To win it, it's solid, it's strong, 88%. Winners, 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 keep with it. Einstein, I love you. Inside Verstov, I'll see you tomorrow.